Yes, good morning. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please like, share, and subscribe. Alright? At Global Watch Media. I don't know this morning, just there all our vibes. You see it. And I think about all of the things that want to take place right now within Jamaica. And most of the things that want to take place within Jamaica are simple something we can get fixed. But a lot of people choose to turn a blind eye to a lot of situations. Why you see a lot of things get out of control. Meaning, I don't know if it's the vaccine from the pandemic, why the people are act so crazy, and the children them act and behave so crazy, because right after the pandemic, it's like everything spiral out of control. I mean, I wonder if the vaccine or the people them take, why you have so much chaos in Jamaica. Not just Jamaica, around the world. Because you can see the behavior in the people them change. You see me? So I wonder if the vaccine, why the youth them behave the way them behave in Jamaica. Why them you know? Why them move so violent and them resort to violence for everything. There's no talking out anything no more. Everything is a man for dead or a girl for dead. Look on the local school youth, but stab up the girl right there. Now, you're supposed to go to school for learn education, right? You go to school and you and a girl get in an argument. Remember, you know, it's a woman that, you know, woman are going to run them mouth. Because that of them greatest strength is their mouth. And if you follow a woman, you will want to do them something. However, this young man make whatever the lady, the young lady said to him, it get to a point of no return where him feel like it was so severe of what she said to him, or whatever altercation them get into, that him have to take her life. And remember, these are two young people that attend in school. So, him take for her life, and now him gone to prison for life. Chances are him going to come back on the road, you know. But mentally, it won't be the same. You know what I say? And you know that when time certain things happen and you go to jail, and you go in jail and then find out what you go to jail for. You know what I say? If he's not a man who can stand up, you know so the prisoner them are going to deal with you a certain way. You see me? So, enough of them look at youth here, I follow them, and get themselves in a situation. And get themselves in some situation where them can never take themselves out of. You see me? And not even themselves alone. Them get them whole family in some situation where the whole family have to get up and move from a community which by them been grounded all of them life. And just because a silly mistake a local youth make within that family, cause the family to end up having to pack up and leave the community which they was grounded in for all these years. You know what I say? And something is wrong with that. Something is wrong with that. It's like the youth them get out of control. You know what I say? One time gone, our generation was a different thing. You know me I say? Them youth, yeah, the nowadays generation, them not take no talk. Them not go to school. All them are pre right now are money and vanity. And that is what leading them astray. Me I watch a video when me hear say a youth, you know, he's a taxi man. And some tourists come down to Jamaica. You know? And him end up to be the one that them asks to take them around the island, you know, and show them around the island. So basically, he was becoming them chauffeur. As long as them there, he was gonna be them chauffeur. However that may be, him didn't look at it that way. Him didn't look at it that, oh man, this is a great opportunity for me, you know, to establish myself as a businessman. You know me I say? So, I gotta treat them people very good. You know me I say? And by me treating them good, them I gotta always put in a word for me overseas. Any which part them come from, anybody who come down, and me them I gotta come to. Because these people, the way I treat them I gotta tell people how good my service is. And people from them country, when them come down, I'm gonna be the recommendation. You know me I say, him never think about it like that. Film thought was for set up the people them. Remember, you know, the people them I work with him are the driver. And the people them give him the job to drive them around. Him not do nothing more than set up the people them, set up him friend them, right? Pick up the people them one day and carry them on the ends and have him friend them, rob the people them. How can you do that? Huh? Do you know what you do when you do that? You put a stigma upon Jamaica. Like I said, Jamaica is a bad place. And you make tourists scared to come to Jamaica and walk around. Because you and your friend them decide, say, you want to rob the person who gave you a job when them come to the island by asking you to drive them around, which them paying you for. But yet you decided you wanted to take the people their money. You know, you didn't want to work for it. Now, tell me now, does that make any sense? When you was gonna already get the money from the people them, all you'd have to do was just drive them around, treat them good, you know, show them the culture, you know what I say? And make them fall in love with Jamaica and fall in love with you as a person. And when them go back home, them would think about you as a businessman and know, say, yo, you see that youth here? When you go to Jamaica and Lincoln, this is the perfect person for you. Because he might go treat you good and he might go on the real Jamaican experience. No, you never think about that. All you think about is to rob the people them, right? You and your friend them. Right? You rob the people them and now you don't have a job. Now you're in a jail. And now your credibility shattered. Now nobody not going to want to trust you. Because now the woman is going to go back home and she's going to make everybody know who you is and what type of person you is. Right? And now you put a stigma upon Jamaica now. The woman probably go home and feel like say, everybody at Jamaica is the same thing. We have to stop them thing there. We have to stop them thing there. Because you can't see tourists come down, right? For investing in the country. Investing in the economy. Right? And invest with the local people them where they're in the area and the community. The vendor them who are sell them goods. Right? The local food shop them, right? And the local people them who have them local stall who are sell them local antique thing them cultural thing about Jamaica. Now them people can't get to eat a food because of people like you and your friend them, your thieving friend them, who do not want to work. You know what I say? Now want to make it bad for them people they know, because now them are go on the people them went and them come on vacation to stay inside of the tourist resort. And me you know say the tourist resort is good, but it's only good for sleeping. Because the real Jamaica is within the community. You have to go and mingle with the locals. And when you do that now, as a Jamaican, right? As a Jamaican businessman who's supposed to be a credible person to a tourist, you damaging the infrastructure of the country of Jamaica. Because when you do that, she's not just gonna look at you and say, oh, it's one bad apple. She's gonna say it's Jamaicans. Jamaica, the country itself, and the people them in there. So, my youth, we need to stop the certain things, brother. Yeah, man, we need to stop the certain things, man, because tourists are something that build up your country economy. Tourists is valuable to all country. And there should be a law in Jamaica against people who violate the tourism board. When time them see tourists come to Jamaica, them rob and kill and murder them. Them something they're not supposed to go on. Because Jamaicans is migrating all over, going to all different countries. We wouldn't like nobody just see one of our family member, you know what I say, in a Canada, England, America, France, wherever you can think about, Panama, and somebody hurt one of our family member them. We wouldn't feel pleased about it. Knowing say them go up on a vacation, if you go take a vacation and somebody see them and harm them. You know what I say? Rob them, treat them bad, make them have a bad experience. That is something that we would not like if it happened to one of our family member. So, I don't see why we as Jamaican keep repeating the same, we just keep repeating the same cycle over and over and over. A time for we change the attitude we have at Jamaica. A lot of things that happen is because of the way we was raised. I understand that. But no me know now. You know me I say no me know now. A lot of times are because of our society why you do a lot of things. But when you grow up and you understand life, you know so certain things not for go on. You know me I say? And if you keep on do certain things and I condone certain things, it's only a matter of time before it turn upon you. You know me I say? This is why me's a man who me go so hard. Me go so hard for reach the youth them. You know me I say? Because me know where I come from. And I know the influence that I did have. You know me I say? And I know I'm capable of. You know me I say? I just the mercy of God why I do certain things. You see me? Yeah. Change will change. Yeah, man. Change will change, man. And I thank God all the while to make me hold it. You see me? Yeah, man, because whole heap of testament, man. Whole heap of testament. So youth, you have to change your mentality. You see me? And the way you think. You see me? A bill we are trying to build up Jamaica. It's a better Jamaica, me say. You see me? So, youth, we don't need to start go to school. You see me? Take in on the education. Listen to the parents. You see me? Go learn a trade, man. Yeah, man. Help to build up the country, man. You see me? We don't do them thing, man. Them think there's a good thing because it shows that Jamaica can compete on all level. All level. You know what I say? Jamaica is a country of excellence. And that's where we are aiming for right now. Because we should have been at the forefront. But nothing happened before time. The light is taking its time shifting to Jamaica. And a time for we start change our mentality. Because if we don't, we're going to be left in the back of society. If we continue down the same road that we are continuing. And this goes for everybody. This is not just the youth them. Jamaica, big up on the damn self. Because I don't know the thing going on, I know the shops and I know the knockings. You see me? Because I don't know, man, an outcast. Yeah, man. Man on a party pan around here, you see it? And I don't know the thing going on. R.I.P. to my brethren Maroon. You see it? Because fame style that. I always do it because I keep him alive. You see it? And I don't know the thing going on. Heal all the meekle them. And love up all the cheekle them. You know, Jamaica, big up on the damn self. That is it. Knock it.